Cancer is a disease that affects so many people, but it should not be a normal way to treat cancer. Cancer is the leading cause of death in America. What if I told you that cancer is not a disease, but rather an imbalance? Cancer is not just a disease in America. It's also prevalent in India as well. But it does not receive the same attention as other diseases because of how we view cancer and what happens when you get diagnosed. Hi, my name is Dr. Rishi Sharma, and I want you to talk about why it is needed to change the behavior by which people should think about the cancer. It does not have to be this scary thing that you can never fight back from, because there are other ways out of it, and that's why we need to treat it like any other disease. This is so important because even though cancer can happen anywhere around the globe, there are many differences between countries that make treatment more challenging, especially for those poorer countries like that of India, where people don't have access to proper medical care or diagnostic tools. There are various types of cancers, and each one requires a different kind of treatment. When it comes to cancer, early detection is the only key, which is why you should get screened at least once every year. Cancer can be cured if it's detected early on, but it can also be deadly if it's not caught in time. That's why we need to change the way we think about cancer and start treating it like any other disease. It doesn't have to be this scary thing that only affects older people. Cancer can happen to anyone regardless of their age. It's no secret that cancer is devastating. But what if it was not even really a disease? The truth is, when there are imbalances in our body chemistry or hormones, which can happen for many reasons, we have an increased risk of developing cancers. But by balancing these things out with natural remedies like eating healthy food, exercising more often, getting enough sleep at night, and reducing stress levels through mindfulness or yoga, all these things can help balance out your body chemistry. This is not to say that cancer can't happen. It definitely can. But by making small changes in your lifestyle, you can help prevent cancer from developing in the first place itself. And if you do have cancer, these same methods will help you recover and improve your prognosis for sure. So what we can do? We need to start demanding our doctors give us options for natural cures before they run towards chemotherapy or radiation treatments. This is not an easy task by any means. By being aware of what you want is half the battle, especially when the stakes are so high. Cancer may be a label attached to many different diseases, but treating it like a normal disease, not something to be feared, is the only way we can make prognosis better. We need to demand more information about natural cures and not be afraid to ask questions. Only then we can make changes. We need to see real progress in the fight against cancer. Thank you. I hope it has given you a better understanding of cancer and why we need to start thinking about it in a different way. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will do my level best to answer them. Namaste.